Hello people, for our first session of today we are going to study how you can add your data in ARC GIS and different tips of knowing different ribbons of your software of GIS. So follow step by step. We are going to identify more ribbons of ARC GIS. For example, our table of content, catalog. You can create your database from catalog. So follow step by step. You first open your ARC GIS software. Then after, you should have even also folder containing your data. So my data, just add a new template, working new template. So then when you want to add data, you must only know the location of your data. For me, my data are located in documents, after document we have my data, my data are called files of July, so I add them. Then after adding them, you see, I add them, and after my data will be visualized now. So this is the first step of adding your data. So you may need to search your parcel or your plot from the entire data. These are shapefiles of the district, a certain district. So when you want to search your parcel or your plot, according to, there are very many, but you want to search for your plot, you just come and right click there, you open your attribute table. So these data are containing more things. You see that there is parcel number, village, province, district, sectors, and more things. You want to search for your UPI. For example, we have our UPIs here, there are more. Then you want to search, for example, your certain UPI. So what you do, you just come here and find the place. For example, our UPI number we are having is 5/01/06/09/166. This is our UPI we are going to search for. We want to get detailed data about this UPI. So you click on find next, then it is loading. After loading, it will give it automatically. You see here that down there it's giving full information. It is located in this location, this village. You see village, province, this district, this sector, this. So what you are going to do, you just press here, then after you zoom to selected. As you see, they will automatically give you the parcel. As you see here, they give you the other parcel. So you see that you have seen the other parcel containing in this shapefiles of today. So what you just do, we have added data, and after adding data, we have searched a plot from certain shapefiles of our district. This is Roman district. After, you may need to map it, you may need to do a cadastral plan for this plot. For our next session of next, we will know how to make a cadastral plan from after adding your data. How can you make the cadastral plan for this? Then what we are going to study next for today, it's to know different ribbons in our ARC GIS. ARC GIS is containing more ribbons, so we are going to study some few ribbons. As you see here in our ARC GIS, we just come here at this blank space, as you see. So they are more ribbons. So as you add them, they automatically come here. For example, let us have this one called editor. So when you add it here, it comes here. Then you press it here. After the other thing, you need it more. We will need it more than one time. It's edit vertex. Also, you put it here. There is also another ribbon called data-driven pages, which allows us to create some layouts. So also you press it here. There is also another one which is important. It's called layout. So this is also important. So you see, so let us use only these ones. Also, another thing you want to know, it's this ribbon called table of content. It may be lost from here. Then after, when you want to add it, there is a tool here, which is this one, table of content. When you press it, it automatically comes back. There is also what we call catalog. This will help us to create some geodatabase, to create some shape files from the location of your files, you see. So that is catalog. After, there is also an important search tool which helps us to search information. So you see here, this, for example, let's search a keyword common used for example, elevation. It will automatically search it and give you all the context about elevation. You see that the TM to raster, it is containing elevation. So this is also important tool you have to know and where to get from. So we have seen table of content, catalog, and search option. Also, we have another important tool which is called a toolbox. Toolbox also help us to create and manipulate different features we also where you need to extract your data from ArcGIS to Google Earth, where you want to create some elevation, some DM data, some projections. So when it opens here, we have different things: 3D analysis tool, cartography tools, conversion tools, conversion tools. We have more things. As you see here, there is this one from KMEDs to shape files, whatever. So this is so an important tool in ArcGIS. So you have to keep it and know where to get it. So let us make the end of our session. You know how to add your data from this data which have been added there in form of shape files. Also, you may need to add for example, data which are in form of coordinates, which are points x, y, and z, representing easting, northing, and elevations. Also, the same way to add them, it's the same way you may have your location. After having a location, you add them like this. Then if they are here, you add them as usual. So another thing to know, you may need to add data which are base maps. So base maps, those are data which containing images and even orthophotos from online. So you need first to be connected automatically on the internet. Then after, Having connected to the internet, you see that you are able to add base maps. So when you want to add your base map, for example, this is a shapefile from existing area, then I want to know and I want to see my existing area as they are shown on the base map. So you just add your base map, they automatically brings you imagery with labels, streets, and what you do, just select your imagery. So you add them and you wait because it is using for some internet. You wait for them to be added. So after being added, you see here that it is trying to add them, it is loading according to its internet. I wait for, so you see that our data now are being added. So we are going to merge them and see how they are related for shape files and our base map image, how are they related. So you see, wait for a second moment so that our data will be automatically added here. Then after being added, these shape files will be overlaid up on this base map so that your plots image of